In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp Transactional Email. If you want to send automated, real-time emails such as order confirmations, welcome messages, or account notifications, Mailchimp Transactional Email is a powerful feature that helps you handle these communications reliably. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set it up step by step so you can connect it to your system and start sending emails instantly when user actions take place. To begin, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the search bar located at the top of the interface. Type in transactional email and select the result when it appears. This will take you directly to the transactional email section where the feature is managed. Inside this area, you will see an option to try the feature or activate it. Proceed by launching the app to begin the setup process. This step enables the transactional email functionality within your Mailchimp account so it can be used for automated sending. Next, you will need to generate an API key. Click on the option to add an API key, and then copy the generated key using the provided copy button. This API key is essential because it allows your application or system to securely connect with Mailchimp and send emails on your behalf. After generating your API key, the next important step is verifying your sending domain. Click on the option to set up your sending domain. You will be asked to enter your domain name, so type in your website address carefully and confirm it. Once added, follow the on-screen instructions provided by Mailchimp. At this stage, you will also need to update your domain's DNS records through your hosting provider. These records are provided by Mailchimp and are necessary for authentication. Completing this step improves email deliverability and helps ensure your messages reach inboxes instead of spam folders. Once your domain is verified, go to the transactional dashboard and create an email template. This could be something like a welcome email or an order confirmation message. While building your template, make sure to include dynamic fields so that personalized information, such as a customer's name or order details, can be automatically inserted into each email. Finally, integrate Mailchimp's API into your application or backend system. This allows your software to trigger emails automatically whenever an event occurs, such as a new sign-up or completed purchase. Once configured, your system will call the API and send the correct email template instantly based on user activity. And that is it. You have successfully set up Mailchimp Transactional Email, allowing you to send automated and personalized messages directly from your system. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.